So, our today's topic is, which we are starting, that is, tell me about yourself. So, first of all, we are going to understand it. Then, what to say in tell me about yourself. Accordingly, we will proceed. Okay. Number one, here you can see here are the points mentioned. Okay, when you're speaking about yourself, you have to mention all these points when you're speaking about yourself. So, well, there are two types of introduction. Number one, this is the introduction which we are going to practice, and the another one is that also I'm going to talk about very soon for that. So the number one thing, as you can see, is the greeting. You all know hello, hi, good morning, afternoon, evening, all these things are your greetings. Okay. Second is your name. You talk about your name, like the example is mentioned here. My name is Ayan Khan, or my name is XYZ. Okay, you say your full name. Then your age is location. So age is, it's an optional thing if you want to share, so that's fine. If not, so there is no problem in that also. But you can say, it's the example, you can say I'm 22 years old and I live in Delhi. Okay, this is the point which we have to mention. And there is one point जो कि यहाँ पर वो add नहीं है, soon I will add it, that is education. You talk about your education, what have you completed till now, or what are you pursuing till now, any graduation degree, any master's degree, any PhD, or anything XYZ, whatever you are doing. Okay. Then you talk about your experience. In your whole introduction, there are two things which are very, very important. Number one is your experience. Okay. And number second is your skills. Because HR wants to listen from you what you know. आपको actual में आता क्या है? वो उनको यही पता चलेगा. In your experience and in your skill. अब अगर fresher है, how to say, how to speak, how to articulate, that we will understand. After skills, you're going to talk about, after experience, you're going to talk about your skills. What skills you have? Like it's mentioned, I have good communication skills, right? Some people have a good computer operating skills, or you have any specific skill according to your profession and all these things. So here we are going to mention what we actually know or what we can do. Because of this, the HR will identify, or the HR will understand that what work you can do. You can operate MS Excel, you can operate the complete MS Office and all these things. And the next point is your family. When you talk about your family, it's mentioned we are four members in my family. You don't need to mention a lot about your family. Okay. It's just simple. You say, we are four members in my family. There is another way to say we are four in family, or we are four actually. ऐसे ही बोला जाता है. So this is also a thing. ठीक है. Make sure जिसका कैमरा ऑन नहीं है, please on your cameras. ठीक है. So कैमरा ऑन का ख्याल रखें आप सभी लोग. Ilma and Aisha, you guys also. Well, and the last thing is your hobbies. What you actually love to do. ठीक है. Like the example is mentioned, I enjoy playing cricket and reading books and whatever. Okay, that totally depends on you. So these are the points which we have to frame out when we are talking about ourselves. Now you have to listen very carefully. Okay, you have to listen to it. Listen to. एक minute. You have to listen very carefully. The demonstration which I'm going to speak in front of you guys, I'm going to perform in front of you guys. After that demonstration, I will ask you a question. What one sentence you captured from my demonstration? Okay, let me give you an example. Like I have spoken about myself, and I'm asking you that what one sentence you captured. You don't need to explain, sir. You were talking about this and that. Yes, Sahil, you raise your hand.
So meaning of demonstration.
Demonstration यानी डेमो, डेमो
Okay.
क्लास. जैसे डेमो क्लास फुल नेम, वो ऐसे शॉर्ट करके चलता है, डेमो, डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन एक्चुअली. ठीक है.
Like,
तो मैं आपके सामने अभी परफॉर्म करूंगा. आई विल बी परफॉर्मिंग. यस इल्मा.
सर वो एक्चुअली पावर कट हो गया था। आप द पॉइंट भी एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे एक बार और
श्योर
स्किल एग्जाम? या थैंक यू सर।
श्योर श्योर श्योर. वही बाकी लोग जिसका कैमरा चालू नहीं कर लें. ओके. सो again, I'm reiterating. Number one is the greeting. Okay, first of all, you have to greet your HR or any person, not only about the interview I'm talking about. You can say hello, hi, good morning, afternoon, XYZ, and all. Second thing, you talk about your name, your full name. My name is Ayan Khan, it's mentioned here, or whatever. And third is age and location. Age is it's an optional thing. If you want to say, that's fine. If not, so I think there is no problem in it. Okay, but it's still, if you want to say, so you can say, I'm like, it's the example it's mentioned here. I'm 22 years old. I live in Delhi. There is another way to say I'm 22. I'm 20. ऐसे अंग्रेज लोग ऐसे ही बोलते हैं. ठीक है, I'm 20. भाई ये हो गया. ठीक है, जैसे वो कहते हैं मैं घर आ गया, कोई कहते हैं I'm home. अब इफ यू सी द ट्रांसलेशन एग्जैक्टली, I'm home का अगर आप ट्रांसलेशन देखेंगे तो उसका मतलब है मैं घर हूँ. ठीक है, लेकिन I'm home का मतलब उन लोगों के हिसाब से है कि मैं घर आ गया. इसी तरह I'm 22 years old और I'm 22, या I'm 20, I'm 19, I'm 10, इसका मतलब मैं इतने साल का हूँ. I'm 35, 35 का हूँ. I'm 40, I'm 25, इस तरह से. Well, and then you talk about, yeah, experience, वो education वाला point mention नहीं है. Okay, so then you talk about your education. What have you done or what you are pursuing currently? Whatever degree or whatever course you're doing, okay, you can mention that thing. And then you talk about your experience. What have you done till now? What are you expert on whatever your profession is accordingly. Okay, this is what you have to do. फिर आपकी स्किल जो आपको अच्छा आता है करना काम, like you are good at communication, you are good at technical skills, you are good at dealing customer, anything. So these are the points. Okay, family का मैंने बताया आपको. Okay, you just mentioned about your family. We all are four in my family. Yeah, we are four actually. भाई इतना भी काफी होता है. ठीक है, अगर आप इतना ही बोलेंगे we are four members in my family तो भी चलेगा. Then you talk about your hobbies. That's the thing. So the major and the very important points in your introduction, there are 2 points. The very important point. Number one is your experience, and number second is your skills. Just because of these 2 points, the HR or the listener will be able to identify what you can do actually, what you have actually in terms of knowledge, in terms of skill. वो ये जान पाएगा from this कि आपको आता क्या है. So we will understand deeply about how to speak about your experience and skill. इसको और ज़्यादा हम deep में समझेंगे, but tomorrow's class. ठीक है? It's mentioned here so many things. Okay, like what you have to speak up, experience, responsibility, and that we will understand. वो भी फिर बहुत ज़्यादा हौश पौश हो जाएगा, ये बहुत सारी चीजें हो जाएंगी. Okay, so we'll work on it. Now I'm going to speak about myself as experienced person as well as the fresher person, both. After completing my demonstration, I will be asking you a question, and that question is, what one sentence you captured from my whole टॉक. ठीक है, आप कहेंगे कि सर आपने कहा था ना कि आई एम गुड एट कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. इस तरह से मुझे एक सेंटेंस सुनना है आप लोगों से. दिस विल हेल्प यू टू वर्क ऑन दिस, द प्रोसेस ऑफ इमिटेशन. ओके, दिस इज what, like here we are going to train our mind कि किस तरह से दूसरों के सेंटेंसेस को कैप्चर करना है, एंड हाउ वी हैव टू यूज फॉर आवर सेल्फ. खुद के लिए कैसे यूज करेंगे, फिर उसको हम अपने लिए आर्टिकुलेट कैसे करें. ठीक है, दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव टू डू. मेक श्योर. सो आई एम स्टार्टिंग सीक्वेंस वाइज. ओके, I'm very happy to be here. Thank you for giving me this chance. And good morning, first of all. This is me, Mohsin Khan. And actually, I'm from Bhopal city. I was born in Indore, but later we reached Bhopal city, and Bhopal is my one of the favorite city, and it's my hometown as well. There are so many things if I can talk about Bhopal. Like we have too much greenery and all these things. And yes, I have done my master's in English. Okay. And if I talk about my experience, so I have almost 7 years of experience in BPO industry. I worked in a different BPO companies as a customer care executive. Then I promoted, and I have learned so many things while working in that companies. And yeah, I do have few skills. Like number one, I am very good at articulation. I'm very good at communicating with people. So the number one skill which I have, that is dealing or communication. I can communicate with anybody, like customer, or I can convince also. That is also one of the skill which I have. I do have the basic skills as well, like operating computer system and all these things, so that I know Very well. And here comes about my family. So we all are seven actually in my family. And yeah, I love to talk about my hobbies. I love to do underwater swimming actually. That's my one of the very favorite hobby. And yeah, few more hobbies also there, like focusing on ourselves in terms of health, physique, and all these things because health is important. So that's all about me. This is the one way which I have spoken in front of you as an experienced person. Now I'm going to speak as a fresher person. Okay, तो आप जो भी हैं fresher हैं experience हैं उसके हिसाब से आप चीजों को capture करें. ठीक है? So I'm very happy to be here. Thank you for giving me this chance. And good morning. My name is Mohsen Khan, and I belong to Bhopal city. Bhopal is my hometown actually, and I was born in Indore, and I love my place actually too much. And if I talk about my education, so I am pursuing my graduation degree actually, and I don't have experience right now. But I eager to learn so many things, and I thought to start my career from this organization because I feel whatever skills I have, like communication skills I have, apart from that, I can manage the team also because in my school time, even in my college time, I manage my classroom. So I have a little bit experience about this. So I feel this skills will be a good match with the organization requirement and all these things. So yeah, I am a fresher. I don't have much knowledge, but I think that if I will be working here, so definitely I will be going to learn so many things very quickly because I'm a quick learner, and this is about my skill as well. And yes, in my family, we all are seven members. I'm the eldest one actually. And the final thing about my hobby, I love to uh, like do the underwater swimming and focusing on my physique and all these things because health is very very important. And that's all about me. Thank you so much. सो दीज आर द टू वेज जो अभी आप लोगों ने देखे, है ना? अब यहाँ पर जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है दैट इज योर लिसनिंग स्किल्स. अभी जो आपकी स्किल्स काम करेंगे ना वो लिसनिंग वाली काम करेंगे. तो चलिए अब मैं आप लोगों से पूछता हूँ कि आपने क्या सेंटेंस सुना, कोई एक अच्छा सा सेंटेंस आपको लगा होगा. व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग दिस, इट विल एक्टिवेट योर लिसनिंग स्किल्स कि हाँ आप वाकई में कितना कैप्चर कर पा रहे हैं या नहीं कर पा रहे. सो नाउ लेट मी आस्क द क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टू अलीशान. यस अलीशान, वन सेंटेंस.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
Ji, sir. First of all, you say I am good article, and we
Sorry, say
all
again.
are
I'm good at what? एक बार फिर से बोलिए.
article.
Articulate. हाँ, articulate. Good. इसका
Articulate.
मतलब भी मैं बताता हूँ आपको. हाँ. And what?
Okay. Second is we all are seven,
We all are seven. Okay.
and yes, and third I love swimming.
Love swimming. ठीक है. Okay. Good.
Yes, and fourth I quick learner.
Sorry, what?
I quick learner.
Quick. Okay. Okay. I'm a quick learner. Okay.
Quick,
Fine.
quick
Fine.
learner. Yes,
Good. Good. Thank you.
and and last I can manage in my classroom.
I can manage. Okay. Good. Good. Fine. Thank you so much, Alicia. Okay. Next, Imran.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Any one sentence.
Sir, I can understand all sentences, but I can't speak.
No, no, you can speak. You're speaking. That's fine. I'm asking, like, as Alishan has mentioned, sentences. He said, "I'm good at articulation." तो कोई एक ऐसा सेंटेंस जो आपके जहन में बैठ गया कि ये कहा था सर ने कुछ.
Yeah, sir. Uh, you said, sir,
जी.
I like swimming because
हाँ. हाँ.
swimming is very important for health.
हाँ. Good. Good.
Swimming is very good
Good. Good.
for health. Yeah.
Fine. 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 That's fine. Well, it's a first day, no problem. It will take some time to like come on that level, the listening level. I'm saying, okay, because the practice which we're doing, it will activate your senses, your listening. क्योंकि क्या है कि देखिए, जो शख्स स्पीकर अच्छा होता है ना, वो लिसनर भी अच्छा होता है, ठीक है? तो अगर आप स्पीकर अच्छे हैं, इसका मतलब आप लिसनर अच्छे हैं। अगर आप लिसनर अच्छे हैं, इसका मतलब आप स्पीकर भी अच्छे हैं, ठीक है? सो इट्स अ कॉमन थिंग आई एम टॉकिंग, अ कॉमन रूल आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट। कुछ-कुछ केसेस में ऐसा नहीं भी होता है, ऐसा नहीं है। कोई-कोई लोग लिसनर अच्छे होते हैं, कोई-कोई लोग स्पीकर अच्छे नहीं होते, बट कॉमनली देखा जाता है कि लिसनिंग स्किल जिसकी अच्छी होती है, वो स्पेशली इन इंग्लिश। ठीक है, ओके, नेक्स्ट शाहनवाज, 1 सेंटेंस। पहले से रखें आप रिजर्व करके अपने पास, तो जैसे ही मैं बोलूँ आप फटाक से बता दें सब लोग।
सर हम इसकी रिजर्व करके नहीं रखते,
जी,
इसकी रिजर्व करके नहीं रखते
नहीं कैच कर पाया, ऐसा बोल रहे हैं आप?
नहीं सर।
अच्छा, चलो कोई बात, जस्ट फर्स्ट डे, दैट्स फाइन, नो प्रॉब्लम, चलता है, चलता है। अभी तो चला रहे हैं, हम भी चला रहे हैं। अभी जो है हम भी काम चला रहे हैं, चलो अभी 2-3 दिन बाद फिर हम काम नहीं चलाएंगे, फिर हम भगाएंगे काम को। ठीक है, जस्ट जोकिंग। यस इल्मा, दैट वन सेंटेंस प्लीज।
Sir, first sentence is articulate or second one is articulation.
Articulation, good, ठीक है। Now I'm not gonna ask so to all of you, so now let me explain the meaning of articulation. Articulation या articulate दोनों एक ही है। मतलब ये है कि articulate का मतलब होता है बहुत खूबसूरत अंदाज में अच्छी तरह से किसी बात को बयान करना, है ना? किसी चीज को बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करना, दैट इज कॉल्ड आर्टिकुलेट। नाउ जैसे कि एक ये बहुत कॉमनली चीज कैप्चर करी है आलिशान ने, इल्मा ने भी कही, या बाकी और लोगों भी नहीं करा होगा। हाउ यू कैन यूज दिस थिंग? हम कहते हैं ना, आई एम गुड एट कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स। आप ये कह सकते हैं आई एम गुड एट आर्टिकुलेशन, और आप ये भी कह सकते हैं आई एम अ वेरी गुड आर्टिकुलेटर। आप वैसे इतना ही बोले आई एम गुड एट आर्टिकुलेशन, इट्स कंप्लीटली फाइन। नाउ whatever sentence you have captured, make sure to use it for yourself. Now, let's take an example. I'm speaking, I will be speaking that sentence as you. Let's say I'm Ilma. Okay, and I'm speaking, good morning, and I'm very happy to be here in front of you. My name is Ilma, and I'm from Sihor, and I have completed my master's degree in XYZ course. And yeah, yes, I like have so many skills. Number one, I am good at articulation. Actually, I can communicate with anybody. That's easy for me. And I'm a fresher, I don't have much experience. So yeah, I can say I have managed my classrooms in my college time. Still I'm doing that. So little bit the management experience I have, okay, but not that professional. तो अभी देखा आपने कि किस तरह से उस सेंटेंस का हमने इस्तेमाल करा है। तो इसी तरह से हमें अपनी लिसनिंग स्किल्स पे बहुत काम करना है। हमें सुनना है, not only from me, from anywhere in the world, from wherever you're getting the good sentence and a good vocabulary, उसको आपको यूज करना। अभी आगे चलेंगे हम, वोकैबलरीज भी हमको देखने मिलेंगी। इस टॉपिक में भी इतनी वोकैबलरीज नहीं है, लेकिन आने वाले टॉपिक में बहुत सारी वोकैबलरीज हैं। अल्टीमेटली आपका ये वाला टॉपिक बहुत स्ट्रांग हो जाएगा। अल्टीमेटली इंट्रोडक्शन देना आपकी बहुत स्ट्रांग हो जाएगी। ठीक है, तो चलिए अब हम किसी को बुलाते हैं, और आपको क्या करना है, आप जितना अपने बारे में बोल पाते हैं, यू हैव टू स्पीक अप, बट यू हैव टू से दैट लाइन ऑल्सो, आई एम गुड एट आर्टिकुलेशन। ठीक है, यस साहिल।
So I have one question
Yes,
about
please.
you said your introduction. Like you have a 7 years of experience,
Hmm.
and you are graduated in English. Like what degree you have?
Masters in English.
Masters in English. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
बस यही।
Yeah. Yeah. I have lots of questions. I am asking. Okay. So
हाँ हाँ, बताइए बताइए।
how much you take care of your health? Like swimming is the one thing I know, but
हाँ,
what about the diet plan, sir?
I do daily workout, diet plan, all these things I have, so I focus a lot.
So what are you taking actually in the diet?
डाइट प्लान वो काफी लेंदी हो जाएगा डाइट प्लान बताने में। या डिफरेंट डिफरेंट थिंग्स, फ्रूट्स, प्रोटीन फ्रॉम डिफरेंट डिफरेंट
So all the things you are
सीक्रेट्स, ऑल
taking
दीस थिंग्स।
for your health.
Yeah, I'm just taking like the daily diet. थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है eggs वगैरह and all these things.
You are
Why?
doing gym as well.
Yes, actually ये बात थोड़ी सी बता के मैं हम मूव ऑन करेंगे, है ना? फिर इस पे हम एंड में डिस्कस करेंगे. Actually, I'm a fan of doing gymnastics and taekwondo as well. So these two things I love a lot. Gymnastics and taekwondo. अभी किसी को बताओ क्या होता है? ऐसे वो छलांग लगाते हैं ना, सब कूदते यूं ऐसे ऐसे होते हैं. इट्स कॉल्ड जिम्नास्टिक्स. तो वो मुझे बहुत पसंद है हमेशा से. सो अभी मैंने छोड़ दिया था काफी टाइम, बट नाउ अभी मैंने कंटिन्यू करा है थोड़े टाइम पहले. अभी जस्ट डूइंग द सो मेनी ट्रेनिंग्स एंड ऑल दीस थिंग्स. वेल, इस पर हम बात करेंगे ना तफसील में.
Sure.
ओके, सो अभी आप ही इंट्रोड्यूस करें बाय मेंशनिंग दैट वन सेंटेंस स्पेशली. वो आप आ ही गए हैं तो आ ही जाए.
Which sentence, sir?
You introduce yourself
Okay.
and mention that one sentence, I'm good at articulation somehow, or somehow you use that vocabulary. That's your cup of tea now, please.
Okay. Hello, everyone. So, thanks for giving me this opportunity. So, as you know, my name is Sahil Khan. I'm 28 years of old, and I live in Fardabad. Actually, I was born in Fardabad, and yeah, if I talk about my education, I have done BBA and MBA in 2021. Both are affiliated to MD University. And if I talk about my family members, I have 5 family members in my family. And if I talk about experience, I have a good experience in account and finance. And yeah, I can say I'm good in Excel, and yeah, I'm good with articulate. Yeah,
I'm good in articulation.
good in articulation
Hmm.
with MS Excel and PowerPoint. I can make presentation with the data of last week or last month in front of the management team.
Hmm.
Yeah, this is my skill part actually. And my hobbies is doing gym and like as Amoshin sir said, swimming. These are my hobbies.
Thank you so much. Well done, well done. You have used that word articulation. इससे क्या होगा ना, ये जैसे हम ये अलग अलग चीजें जब इस्तेमाल करेंगे ना, सो वो हमारे माइंड में रिकॉल हो जाएंगी, और जब भी हम इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे या कुछ बात करेंगे तो वो हमें बाद में याद आती है. Okay, this is how like it works. Well, now let me call इल्मा. फिर इल्मा के बाद आएंगे नाज तनवीर. Yes, इल्मा. Make sure to use that sentence.
First of all, a very warm good afternoon. Well, my name is Ilma Ali, and I was born and brought up Sihor, and I really love my city. Let's talking about my education. So I am pursuing my bachelor degree in electronic communication branch from Technocrats Institute of Technology, Bhopal. And let's talk about my skills. So I am good at articulation. That's the reason I can easily communicate anybody. And the other reason is I also have 1.5 year experience in BPO sector. And let's talk about my hobbies. So I love to making new friends and talking to strangers, peoples, and I also love traveling, and the most thing I really love listening novels, Urdu novels. My favorite novelist Pire Kamil. The author is Miss Nimra Ahmed. Yeah, this is little bit about me. Thank you.
Okay. Good, good. Thank you so much. Okay, next person, Ji, Naz Tanveer, please.
Yes. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for giving this opportunity
Hmm.
to express myself. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Naz Tanvir. I am from Telangana, city from under Montreal. I have completed Bachelor of Education and also MA English. If I come to my family, we are 6 members. I am a younger one, and If I come to my skills, I am articulate myself to teach students. I have experience. I did short-term work in robotics planetarium show.
Wow.
This is one company which shows 3D planetarium. 3D. In that, students learn and watch universe. They feel they are on the universe, like,
क्या बात.
and it's amazing work. I learned so many skills in this platform. And this is my short-term work as a coordinator volunteer. If I come to my hobbies, I love traveling and reading books, learn different languages, and like Telugu, Hindi, Urdu, English. And I love planting, and I am good at articulation in nature's photography to take it, capture it.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm not just correcting, okay, as of now. Whatever you're speaking, that's completely fine. No problem. Yes, Salia, please.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum, sir. How are you?
Walaikum Islam. Fine, fine, and fine. Bye.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Saleha Meman. I am from Gujarat. Coming to my education, I have completed Bachelor of Pharmacy from MQ Pharma. Coming to my experience, I am a fresher. I don't have much experience. Still, I can say I have 6 months experience because in internship I have worked for a 3 month in MQ Pharma, and during last year of college I was also working in one pharmacy. At there I learned how to give medicines and how to know about the doses and how to make understand the patients. And apart from I'm a good in articulation. I have a good communication power. I can convince anyone very easily, and I'm a quick learner.
Okay.
And I eager to learn new things. And coming to my family, we are 7, and I love to spend quality time with my family. And coming to my hobbies, I love to explore new things. On every weekend, I can say I'm a foodie person. So on every weekend, I love to try new food dishes. And this is all about my side. Thank you everyone for listening me so patiently. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you. Okay, next is yes, Sahil. You raise your hand.
Yes, sir. I have one question for Saleha. Saleha, you are saying you are actually eating and you are a foodie person. Okay. And
What? Sorry,
you are a
I'm
foodie person, right?
Yeah.
So is this a skill or hobby?
Like I love this coming into hobby. Now I love to try new dishes. It's my hobby. Like
Okay.
mm.
Okay. You need some time to reach on that level, Sahil.
Sure.
Everybody has their own interest. Good.
Yeah.
Okay. Take it. So just giving a common feedback, then we'll continue with Aisha, Alisha, and Imran, and all of you guys are going to speak about yourself. देखिए, सबसे पहले इस चीज को ध्यान में रखें. हमें लगता है कि हम बोलेंगे तो गलती होगी, तो इस ख्याल को जो है हमें प्लेन में बिठाकर उसको कहीं भिजा देना चाहिए. ठीक है? तो उसका पासपोर्ट बनवाइए और उसको एक वीजा दिलाएं, और वीजा भी आप दिलाइएगा अमेज़न का. मैं अमेज़न उसकी बात नहीं कर रहा, मैं जंगल की बात कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है? तो जिसको भी फ़ील होता है कि अरे यार मेरी इंग्लिश तो अच्छी नहीं है, मेरा क्या होगा? ये इतने सारे लोग इतनी हाई-फ़ाई इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं. तो ये सब ख़्याल को जो थोड़ा-सा इन सबको अवॉइड करने की ज़रूरत है. और इससे ना आप डिमोटिवेट होते हैं. तो आपको जैसा इंग्लिश आ रहा है, व्हाटएवर वर्ड यू आर स्पीकिंग दैट्स कंप्लीटली फाइन. जैसे अभी आप बहुत से लोगों ने कुछ कुछ सेंटेंसेस गलत बोले, कहीं कहीं आर्टिकुलेट का गलत इस्तेमाल भी हुआ है, ठीक है, आर्टिकुलेट वर्ड का गलत जगह इस्तेमाल हुआ है, ठीक है। जैसे बहुत ने कहा आई एम गुड एट आर्टिकुलेशन, उसके साथ कुछ और भी चीज ऐड कर दी, तो वो ऐड करने की जरूरत नहीं थी। तो इतना ज्यादा हमें स्ट्रेस लेने की जरूरत नहीं कि अभी मैं सही बोल रहा हूँ या नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, नथिंग। आप किसी छोटे बच्चे को अगर नोटिस करेंगे, छोटा बच्चा है 2 साल का, वो कुछ भी बोल रहा होता है, 3 साल का, 4 साल का, उसको इतनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं होती कि पानी को पानी बोलते हैं, उसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन ये होती है, उसको नहीं पता, वो तो जो उसके दिल में आ रहा है उसको बोल रहा है। लेकिन एक चीज, आप एक बड़ी अच्छी चीज वहां पर सीखने की है उस छोटे बच्चे से, कि उस बच्चे के दिमाग में ये नहीं होता कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, राइट, कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, मैं पानी को कुछ भी बोल रहा हूँ, मैं टेबल को टेबल नहीं बोल रहा, राइट, मैं चावल को हप्पा बोलता हूँ। ठीक। तो उस बच्चे को इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता, तो हमें भी वही माइंडसेट लेने की जरूरत है कि हम गलती कर रहे हैं, इट्स अ लर्निंग स्टेज, ओके, ऐसा इतना ज्यादा सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है। अपने आप को कॉन्फिडेंट फील कराएं कि नहीं हम कर सकते हैं। मैं समझता हूँ आप सब लोग यहाँ पहुंच गए तो आप लोग वाकई में कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, आप सब लोग अपने आप को बदल सकते हैं, और वाकई में जो आपने ख्वाब देखा है, आप अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं, बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं आप, ठीक है। तो अपने आप को आप ये ना सोचे कि मैं कमजोर हूँ, ठीक है, आप केपेबल हैं, आपने स्टेप लिया है यहाँ तक आने का, यू केम हियर एंड यू आर डूइंग द प्रैक्टिस। थोड़े बहुत चैलेंजेस आते हैं, लेकिन अगर चैलेंजेस का सामना नहीं करेंगे तो मजा ही क्या है जिंदगी जीने का, ठीक है। तो चैलेंजेस ना हो तो वाकई में मजा नहीं, चैलेंजेस होना जरूरी है, ठीक है। सो मेक श्योर इस चीज को ख्याल आप रखें, है ना, ठीक है, 1 मिनट रुकेगा।